We need to take the thumbnail picture. Smile and show, you know. Come. Alright. Yeah, police behind the right eye. I'm gonna turn right here so I see what them really up to, what them guy want. You know? I see what them man want. Them they behind the right now. See them there now rear view mirror. I don't know where them up to. Hello?
Hi.
Come out of the intersection, go down some more.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Hey guys.
What's up?
How you guys doing? It's Sunday and we're going back to work tomorrow. We're just gonna do some grocery shopping. Just to prepare ourselves back for work. And again, we always do it at the beginning of a month.
Yeah, or the ending, whichever.
Yeah, ending to the beginning of the month. Basically, just to try and get enough supplies to last us for the month. I'm not a fan of grocery shopping. I don't like to go often. I like to just go one time and get everything I need and just don't go back. So.
Yeah. The country really open up back now, right? So tomorrow is actually the first day where it's no more work from home. Everybody should return to work as of tomorrow, right? So you know basically everything slowly getting back to normal now. Yeah. You know?
That is true.
Yeah.
Things are just slowly creeping back to normalcy. We still have a curfew. Curfew. That starts at 8 p.m. in the night, right, babe? I don't remember what time it starts in the morning.
Right now, last night, they shut them open.
It's become a big informer right there.
But we not tell you which shop. We just talk general like the last time I hear there's an 8 o'clock curfew, but yet still like 7:30 minutes to 8, I still see the shop them open. So I pre say boy, what time the people are gonna leave to come off of the road, but that's for another day discussion.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, but just glad said the place are come back to normal now.
Yes.
Right? Work from home done now. So the restaurant people them can start make back some money now, right?
Yeah. We're looking forward to just getting back to normal. We miss it.
Yeah man. The people them who normally supply lunches for people who work, them can start make back some money. The public transportation people them can start make back some money, right?
Yeah.
And generally the economy can, you know, function again, you know, more money are in the people them clothes, more money are in the people them pocket, so more spending power are there. So we just hope, say boy, you know, this whole lockdown thing for the last few months that been going on, it not impact us, it not impact the economy too bad. So let's see, you know, let's see how long it takes us to really get back to normal.
Yeah. So come along with us guys. So you know tomorrow is back to work, right? So I've gotten some masks, but you need to get some masks. You need to get at least 5 masks that you can change every day.
But I got some from work actually, you know. Them provide us, them.
How come you never tell me? Keep me stuff from me now?
I mean I come behind. Where am I put me over for?
We're being pulled over.
Police behind the right eye. I'm gonna turn right here so I see what them really up to, what them guy want. You know? I see what them man want. Them they behind the right now. See them there now rear view mirror. I don't know where them up to. Hello?
Hi.
Come out of the intersection, go down some more.
Yeah, okay. Hey guys, police are pulling over. We don't know what them want really. We'll see what's up, you know? Yeah. Them pulling nice.
Okay.
Morning.
Hi.
Yeah, what's up?
Anything to be clear in the vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
Have a look at that. Have a document. You going back?
Huh?
Shooter in the back?
Nah.
I don't know the windows on the please. Alright, that one in the back. But ensure safety, you know.
Huh? Yeah, man, no problem. No problem. Don't forget the documents.
everything is to be clear.
No, sir. What the purpose for the stop?
Random spot check.
Random spot check. Okay. Yeah, so them just pull me over and
So they're doing a random
spot check.
Alright, take care,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Get
Thank
your
you.
driver's license.
Huh?
Driver's
Oh, my
license.
driver's license. Alright, hold this a bit. Here you go.
We find a lot of guns this way.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Do
You
the
can
work.
record that one.
Yeah, man. It depend. Your audio get catch, man. So, alright. Respect.
Take care.
Yeah, yeah. Alright.
Bye.
Cool.
So that was a random spot check. So it's like they found a lot of guns this way, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess
I'm gone. Them just check for ensure that everything alright with the documents. You know, we don't have any contraband on board. Even if them not search, just asking questions and seeing, you know, your body language, them can have a little idea, you know, if there is something going on basically.
yeah.
You know, so everything alright. Them check the documents fine. So we are on our way. Yeah, cause we almost reached the store now.
Yeah.
So just round the corner. We're driving in.
When you order come and camp out by small doorway with the egg.
$700 egg. Wow. How much egg per one of them there? 30 how much? 30 flat.
Yeah.
For 700.
We can't go buy, you know, the last time him egg them they little bit though.
Which a guy come sum up in a car. Ah, jeez. Alright.
You know, remember
You see egg them this small the last time?
Egg them the little bit the last time, man.
Okay.
You can buy it though. See what it's worth, you know. So guys, this is us getting out of the car, right? Let me tell you what will happen. Adrian's gonna come out of the car and then stand up and look for me waiting as if, you know, out of patience, see me out of patience, like almost tapping the foot kind of way, you know what I mean? But all he does is this. That's all. He doesn't have anything on him. And then I have to pack up bag and do all kind of stuff. Everything that he forgot to do or didn't do, I have to do it before I leave the car, and then him always behave as if
where you pack up
we just
now?
stay near, I do a mountain and stuff, right?
What you know, me a drive come all this way, Zine. So you know, say we'll come up, we know where to park and all them things. You know, prepare yourself.
Yeah,
You know, prepare yourself to come out. Me come out of the car now. And then I have to wait for you 5 minutes for a light from the vehicle.
What about waiting on your wife for 5 minutes? It ain't an hour.
No, but you can prepare yourself before so that when we reach now, you just come out of the car and move.
Some things just occur to me when the vehicle stops. I'm sorry.
But when you don't have nothing to do, you still take long to come out of the car, you know?
You know, some have nothing to do. What do you call nothing to do?
Nothing.
People. So hey guys, so watch out for our fishing videos. We're trying to get stuff ready. So we saw these. It's pretty cute. Like we could definitely use one of these. So this is a table with 2 seats, can hold 2 persons, and these are 2 chairs like this.
It's cool. It's nice.
Yeah. I like it.
Wow.
Yeah, I like that one better.
Yeah, come 2 packs. See them here?
Yeah.
2 packs.
I like that one, babe.
Yeah.
Take the darker color one. Take the green one.
Yeah.
So this is pretty cool. What is this?
See them here? You can portable camping chair.
Yeah.
And you have some other type.
Yeah, these are different.
Tent.
Oh yeah, the tent down this side.
So what is the price for this?
This right here. So it's iBack Ergo.
Ergo. Oh. Okay.
Oh, it's $3,900 for it.
Yeah.
It's a one?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the difference?
Regular. Oh, them discounted to $3,900. A different chair now. This look like a better. It look more ergonomic. We call it ergo because it's more ergonomic. Because the back higher.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the back is higher. But
The material is different.
And we can't even buy stuff like this even while we're hiking, you know. We can come here.
Yeah.
for like when we go do camping, we can come because we're thinking about going to Blue Mountain soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Master guiding me cry now, guys. Lover of the outdoors.
This is the cleaning supply section. They have all the detergent around here.
Oh,
Between here and the next aisle beside this one.
We need this washing liquid.
Oh, one of these.
It works alright. Well, we actually got this brand last time we were here, which is like what, 2-3 months ago, I don't know. And it worked good. So let's try it again. Alright, so we need salmon, we need strawberries, we need sugar, we need coconut spray, cheese, cheddar and mozzarella, corned beef, we need bread, we need butter, we need flour, rice.
Down here, so. And let's go.
Oh, we need cake soap.
Cake soap?
Yeah.
Alright, grab it now.
I love buying this pack, it lasts so long. It lasts for months. This is what I wanted to buy. So, I see the smaller ones in the stores, like for almost $1,000. And look how much is in this.
$2,000.
And look at the price. Like,
oh, it's $1,000. How much you normally buy it for? How much you remember the price coming from?
oh, we're coming from like $600 plus, then move to $700 plus. And now it's
$1,059.
Oh.
Price almost double.
They went to a store and we got small items, like everything was like $200 and plus. So we come out to the store and $9,000 of the bill. Plus me, in the pretty.
Yeah. The flour.
Take it up this month, baby.
There's no price.
No, there's no price.
Go see. Oh, see the price then. $5.99 for one.
Yeah, that's. The increase, but not as much as before.
Yeah.
You guys far more.
We don't need oil.
No, we don't need no oil.
Okay.
Huh? I want to get straight.
Some Corona beer, you know?
Careful, you know?
No more for drink. No more Corona.
No more Corona. Oh, Corona deal. It's too much.
That one here?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Alright, which one?
And so this is 100% juice. So this we grab more while and go with it. Ah. Alright, let's turn back. Turn it on. Turn it on.
You want to get Lasco too?
Huh?
You want to get Lasco?
Can I question that?
Yep. We can buy. The one that we have is almost done.
Kidding. Astronaut. Lord God. Astronaut quilt. Yeah, it's cool. This is cool. Yeah, we not to cover with
Yeah, the mermaid
kids
one as
quilt.
well.
Yeah, but them not have the mermaid though. So like they make the two different style. But yeah, that just be the blue one them have for the boys.
Oh, this is salmon burger. This is good.
Is salmon it make out of?
Yeah.
Oh. The one person out there.
12 something. I'm not seeing a price right here. I think it was kind of cost. It was like almost 3,000 dollars or 3,000 plus. Oh, Peter. Oh, 3,698.
4 grand. Wow.
I can't find a salmon bite. I was really looking forward to trying this. Like it done.
All the better because them things expensive. Why my pocket? And a girl have a piece of taste, it's expensive, you know. Oh my god.
It's not expensive, just moderate. It's a good taste. You see it.
Wow. Man, this camera expensive. The camera never have to dear so star. Cheap and wireless Wi-Fi. Camera never have to dear so yo. Never have to dear so. Getting out of here, no?
I eat nothing in this trolley.
So what y'all eat? You eat the mackerel too?
Yeah.
Is it all the carbohydrates you have cut off?
Yeah.
And washing time, you know, we're getting out of here. Next one, that'll probably finish.